Hey everyone, Erica with K here. Today's video is going to be on installing this bidet, which is the cheapest one that they have on Amazon. Here are the tools that we needed that we had at home, and then here's everything that the bidet actually comes with, not including the dog. But they come with very detailed instructions and basically everything you need with the exception of like a wrench and a screwdriver. That's basically the only other stuff that you need. So let's get into it.
So shut off the water.
Okay. Once you shut off the water, give the toilet bowl a flush to make sure that there's no more water in the actual pipe. You need a towel?
No, they're pretty good.
Sounds like it's dripping.
Yeah, it is.
Do you need a towel?
No.
No?
Let's do the towel at the end. Right now it's just wet.
It's the hose from the thing.
That's the hose from the toilet?
From the toilet.
Okay.
I'm putting the T-valve on the top. And I'm going to put this to the toilet. Reconnect this one. All dirty.
Dirty will do ya. So what are you doing now?
Taking the toilet seat off.
Ah.
Do you see the T?
The T is what?
The part that I installed where the hose connects to the T?
In the back?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not that, the top T.
This here?
No. Up under the sink. Up under the... Get a little up under. You see that T?
Yeah.
That's what I installed.
Okay.
So that's the splitter. And it comes from underneath. Is it gross under there?
Just jumping in, today is a great time to clean your toilet bowl seat and make sure you remove it completely.
Okay, it looks like this gets flipped over. And these go in here.
This was literally so easy to do with step-by-step instructions, and also it was under $30 on Amazon. I will have it linked in my Amazon affiliate link. When I tell you life-changing, I mean life-changing. It will change your life. This is where the magic happens. We're just going to be lining these up where the toilet seat sits. So you're going to put this underneath the toilet seat. You're going to put the toilet seat over. I do recommend when you take off the screws to make sure you remember how they go back on, because we couldn't remember. That was probably the hardest part for us, was remembering how to screw it back on, which may seem simple to other people, but it was just a little confusing to us. And that's that.
We can always adjust this positioning, but okay, and then it's just a hose.
That's so cool. So what does it run with? Like,
The hose water,
wow.
which is all clean water.
No. I mean, like, no battery, no nothing.
No, it's just pressure.
This is an alternative view of hooking up the hose from up above. The bidet comes with Teflon. My husband didn't use it, but he probably should have. And we're done. Turn on the water and then flush the toilet and allow the water to fill up. Takes a minute to fill up.
Yeah, I guess so.
This is what it looks like when it's installed, and we're going to give you one more closer look to the work that my husband actually did.
Do you see the T?
The T is what?
The part that I installed where the hose connects to the T.
In the back?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not that, the top T.
This here?
No. Up under the sink. Up under the... Get a little up under. You see that T?
Yeah.
That's what I installed.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful, and the bidet will be linked in my Amazon affiliate link if you want to check it out.